Not moving. There's a bird right there. That's a woodpecker. And there is, where is it? There is a chickadee. I don't know why they're not moving. Don't know if you could see him, but I don't know if that was it or not, but it could have been a crow. But there is a bird of prey out here. And it's attacking little birds here. See how they're just sitting there. Hey! Hey! Hey you! And I'm not far away from them. Like where? Look at this. Look how close I'm getting to them. So yeah. And all the birds are moving. And that's because they're trying to pretend like they're not there, or trying to make sure that they're not getting caught by the other birds, because they'll get attacked. So they just sit completely still. It's really weird. And I thought I saw some little birds getting attacked in that bush right there by a bigger one. It's really weird how they do that. Just all sit still like that. It's like time stops. It's really weird. Because that chickadee has been in that position for like 7 minutes. Has not moved. Same for the woodpecker right there.